Hello parents! Are you looking for summer activities for your kids? Would you like them to become money smart kids? And you like them to learn financially independent, to become responsible, and to become resilient? Little Boss Camp is now here. Our public offering will start on March 28th. It's an 8-week Saturday for 90 minutes each session, wherein they will learn how to value money. They will discover their passion. This will be the basis of their business creation. They will learn the characteristics of an entrepreneur, how to build the right habits, how to be successful. All the learnings that they will learn from this camp, it's just like we are planting seeds on their minds and in their hearts that they will carry throughout their lifetime. Isn't that great? They will also learn how to create their own products, create their own branding, how to promote their products. And at the end of the program, they will have an actual mini fair where they will experience themselves how to sell their products. And from there, they will be able to have this confidence to speak to people. Our previous batches, they enroll because they want to enhance the skills, the confidence of their children. The shyness, hopefully, will be gone, discover their passion, and really want experts to tell their kids about how to value money.